Hello YouTube. Alright, on my way to Leaf Peepers festival up in Davis, West Virginia. I'm going to take the Civic and we're going to go check out the car show. And of course there's always good food and stuff like that and a lot of good people. So I got the thing running, letting it warm up a little bit. It's like 55 degrees. Notice my jacket. Alright, here we are. Leaf Peepers Festival Car Show in Davis, West Virginia. And here comes Buzz. There he is. What you doing, Buzz? Look, you're YouTube famous. Everybody knows who you are now. Man, that's sweet. There's John's ride. That old truck is nice. Goodness. Now that thing is nice. We'll get the 8-ball shifter. Mahogany steering wheel. Man. Wow. That's cool. That's a cool bumper. Oh look, these the headrests are KC lights. That's cool. Man, you gotta love the nostalgia cars. These things are sweet. Man, look at that. Well, that's a mud ride. Goodness.
Alright, we'll see you later.
Whee! Goodness. Talk about a nice truck. Big block. Oop. Dick's car. It's Mike's car. Man. This.
And they tried to go around the wall and get away from the rattlesnakes. Table Rock? Yep. Is that where those ATV tracks came from? Dude, I was like walking on and I was like,
Nice. Old school fire truck. Wow. An old stick shift. Can you imagine driving that thing? Goodness. Let's see what it looks like in the back.
yeah, like the helmet's humble. She's at the fire hall.
Yeah. It's cool. Well, that's a good looking ride.
That's old. Does that kill you when you get some? You hear this is where we're going to see the difference.
Wow. Oh, that's cool.
See this ribbon? See, I made them like that. I will try to keep it.
Any of those good days up here.
Man. It's a big scroll on that one. Oh, he's about to show the good stuff. Where's the engine? Oh, there it is. Man. Good Lord. It's got plenty of engine, that's for sure. I think it'll run. That's for sure. Yeah.
Oh, there he is. I can't find Chris.
Man. Look at this.
Center tent here. Same as Jeff Schubert's vehicle here. Also stopped at one of the People's Choice.
Hey, how's it going? Man, that thing looks good. That white turned out great.
Welcome everybody here. I'd like to thank our sponsor, primary sponsor, Patriot Automotive. Take a look at the big Dodge truck here with the crown on top of it. They call it the King of Trucks. A couple of Jeeps over here.
Pearl white on that thing.
They have plenty of them down by the shop. See some guys from Patriot Automotive.
And that thing turned out good.
You up.
Old Buzz's ride. Man. That thing's clean, isn't it?
October the 14th, Long Glory Car Show, downtown Oakland. Be sure you wander out for that. There's a lot of good stuff down there. Hopefully the weather's as good then as it is now.
There's an old timer. Pretty original and functional. That's always good. Man, I need this. I can haul anything I need to in that. 53 cruising. You don't see that too many like that anymore. Whoa. Look at here coming. Oh, that's cool. I knew that didn't sound like a V8. It sounds good. It's good.
You ever get down and blow the dust out of it?
Yeah.
Down the road.
Sweet, I'm not the only 4-cylinder here. That one's mine.
Sand drags that thing. Is that right? Yeah, it's all-wheel drive.
Whoa!
Oh, it's all-wheel drive?
Look at that. All-wheel drive. Wow. There's a good looking Blazer. Goodness.
Yeah. Early one, too rare.
Man.
72. That early body styles are hard to find.
It's Boris's ride.
That's the 2-door, this is somebody's 4-door, maybe the same folks. I didn't look, are they?
Yeah.
Okay. I think they're different.
That's pretty cool.
need to go over and visit with him.
Oh, the room in this car. Now this is cool. That thing's got a straight 8-cylinder in it. That's cool. Wow, that thing's clean. Big engine. Riding shotgun to a whole new level. Hey, look at that.
Got some new vehicles coming in. Be sure you register
Goodness.
at the camp.
What do you think of that, Ryan? I think that's the only one like it here.
2:30 we'll be doing the
That
drawing.
thing's sweet.
At 50/50. Be sure you get your paper for the Spectator's Choice Award.
Wow. Look at that. Jeez, look at that blue. I love that shifter. Shift knob. Look at that. See that right there? The nostalgia shift knob. That's exactly why I have one almost identical on my car, because I love that white nostalgia shift knob. And look how good it looks in this car. You don't see too many of these around. Look at that. Isn't that cool? How they put the engines. And this is always something I thought was pretty radical. How the belt goes around and then loops and goes down. These old cars. It's amazing how the belt will do that, and it works perfectly fine. Right? They just don't make them like they used to. Oh.
Got some new vehicles just coming in. Be sure you come over to the tent and register.
Who needs fender wells?
In 15 minutes.
I think it's Duke's anyhow.
That thing's
He told me
definitely,
it was parked over here, and I think this is what he has. I didn't know he had a blower on it though.
that is a big blower. Look at all these wooden spoons. Those are pretty cool, aren't they? There we go. See, if you carry that around with you, you can always have a fork in your pocket to eat. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah. What do you think now, Buzz?
So I'm
You think yesterday?
No, yesterday they had Cass and all those places in West Virginia had one on TV.
Yeah?
They have showing all over. Pretty interesting.
Yeah. What do we got here?
Morning.
What is this?
Morning.
What do you do with this?
Still morning now.
It's still morning, yeah. We're not hit after
Help that bag.
Yep. Figure I'd sit down and relax for a little bit. Hang out here behind my car. Got this big old beastified mud ride sitting behind me.
First runner up, and his name is Buzz, and he had a 58 Chevy black.
Buzz?
Thank you very much.
Okay, so before we do best of show, I'm gonna go ahead and do People's Choice. So by one vote was car number 28, a 1947 Dodge pickup
Tri-County Collision. Yep.
Thank you.
And we wanted to give something to the second choice because it was so close. Number 50 was the runner-up for People's Choice. Bonnie Bennett with a 1964 Buick.
You get to pick one item off the table.
All right, and this year's Best of Show goes to car number 65, Caroline, and she had a 50 Chevy, sorry, 1950 Chevy. Car number 65, congratulations. They came all the way up from Elgin.
Yep, that's going to be it for this show. And congratulations to the winner in that beautiful Chevy truck. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. We'll see you guys at the next show.